Now, let's learn about frame hold options in Adobe Premiere Pro. Frame hold is used to freeze a single frame of a video and hold it on screen for a specific duration. This is commonly used to pause action, highlight an important moment, add dramatic emphasis, or extend a shot without using slow motion. First, let's play the timeline. Here in this clip, we want the video to stop at this point, so we need a still frame exactly here. To do that, right-click on the clip in the timeline and choose Frame Hold Options. Frame Hold Options gives us full control over how the freeze frame behaves. When we click it, a dialog box opens. Here, we can choose Hold On, which decides which frame will be frozen. Source timecode freezes the frame based on the original source clip's timecode. This means Premiere looks at the exact frame position from the original media file and freezes that frame, no matter where the clip is placed in the timeline. Sequence timecode freezes the frame based on the timeline's timecode position. In point freezes the clip's first frame. No matter where the playhead is, Premiere will always hold the very beginning frame of that clip. This is useful when you want a clean starting frame, creating intro freeze frames, holding the first visual of a shot. Outpoint freezes the clip's last frame. This option is commonly used when ending a video with a freeze, creating dramatic endings. Playhead gives you the most precise control because you can scrub frame by frame and choose the perfect moment to freeze. This is the most commonly used option for tutorials, documentaries, educational video, text overlays, YouTube content. In most cases, this is the option you should use, so let's select Playhead and apply it. Now play the timeline again. You'll notice that we now have a moving clip at the beginning, a still frame in the middle, and the clip continues moving after that. This is perfect when we want to explain something on screen while the video pauses. Now let's move to another clip. First, let's play the clip. Here, when the text starts appearing, we need the video to freeze. To do this quickly, right-click on the clip and choose Add Frame Hold. This option automatically freezes the frame at the playhead, converts that frame into a still image, keeps it in the timeline at the same position. This method is great when we want a quick freeze frame without opening any settings. Now you can see the clip is divided into two parts. The first part is moving. The second part is a still frame. Now let's move to another sequence. First, play the clip. In this clip, we want to pause the action in the middle, then continue playing again. This is where Insert Frame Hold segment is very useful. First, move the playhead to the exact frame position you want to hold. Simply right-click on the clip and choose Insert Frame Hold segment. This option pauses the action in the middle, creates a separate freeze frame segment, and allows us to add text or graphics, and holds the frame without permanently cutting the clip. The original motion before and after the freeze stays intact. So frame hold allows us to freeze a single frame and hold it on screen for emphasis, explanation, or dramatic effect. Frame hold options gives full control, add frame hold is fast, and insert frame hold segment is the most flexible. When used correctly, frame hold becomes a powerful storytelling tool that adds clarity, focus, and impact to your edits.